It's official. Winter Storm Blair has officially made it to my part of the mountains. With the very, very extreme cold and it's snowing again. From what I understand, as the day goes on, this is only going to intensify and get worse. Right now, we just got snow. There's also bands of ice coming in. I'm not looking forward to that. Ice is bad. And ice is really bad. Remember when we had a horrible ice storm hit and trees were falling left, right, willy-nilly. It was outside getting cold and you could hear the ice cracking and the trees falling all around. That was the scariest ever. Buttercup. 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 Pretty girl. A pretty girl. I swear, you're such a good pup. You're such a good puppy. Yeah, her's a good girl. So to be honest with you guys, what worries me the most is the ice. The potential full ice. Because I know how bad that can get. That can tear down power lines, which is dangerous. That can knock trees down like dominoes. I've been witness to that. Which, as you can tell, it is starting to stick on the leaves and trees. Starting to. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated as the day goes on. Ain't that the truth? This has only been like 10 minutes since I last updated and everything is covered. Oh wow, even the tracks from the cars that just went down is now covered. Hello guys, Winter Storm Blair is it. Get my gloves back on. Hey boy. Look at this. Holy shit. Taking you guys out with me, do some of the work, and show you some of Winter Storm Blair. Literally the salt truck. Oh god, that's hit me right in the face. Sorry, I'm trying to put on a glove. It just went down and you can't even see the tracks. Oh god. Oh. Let's get out here. Some of the deeper bits. This right here is how deep it is on me. So I'd see a good 2 inches. That's a road. You can't even tell. I don't blame you, Shadow. I don't like it either. This is one of our first snowstorms. Hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. That we've had. This is officially Winter Storm Blair. And I'm getting drowned in snow. Hey, boys. Hi, boys. Hi, boys. Hey, boys. Village one, you have to pay. There you little. Okay, up we go. Holy hell. This is a job all of its own, just trying to walk in this. Oh shit. Look at this. My foot is so deep. My feet is literally just getting buried. Look at all this. This is not good, guys. It's not good. Okay, I'm gonna try to put you in my pocket. Oh wait, he'll still film everything that I see, but not get my phone wet. Oh god, this has got ice in it too. I can hear the ice. Listen. That sizzling sound, that's ice. Oh, this is not good. Oh, this is so not good. Oh, hell, it's knocking my freaking footprints out. It's not good. This is slick. I'm not liking it. I don't like this at all. I think I got good boots on. By the way, if the ground somehow manages to start looking closer and I don't take you out of my pocket, just know I probably fell. Because snow's giving me a little traction, but not good. It's not good. Oh, I don't like this at all. I am literally getting drowned in snow. Hey, boy. I'm gonna raise your. This is me actually moving, you guys. My poor kitty. This is not good. I'm trying to get y'all kind of up where you can see. It went in my eye. Snow in my eye, snow in my eye. Ow. Okay, gotta get to the wood. It's buried. My wood is buried. Let's see if any that's not so buried. And the answer to that is no. Oh, that went down my shirt. Ah! No. Oh, that's cold. Oh, sweet baby juice, that cold. Try some melt. See if I can. Actually, I'm gonna hop off here until I get the side work done, but it's is what we're dealing with. You can't even tell what is road anymore. Hey everyone, it's day 2. I basically forgot to upload last night and forgot to put in an outro, so I'm just gonna combine the 2 days. And it works. Works for me anyway. Got my gear on.
Yum.
Yummy muffins. Did Mama make good muffins?
Mm-hmm.
Yum. So far today we are literally above freezing, which I'm happy about, but it's going down a lot because we were at 45 and now we're at 36, so, well, 37. Never mind. But still, we're above freezing. That's a good thing. Also, a good portion of the snow is melted, and instead of getting freezing rain, we just got regular, plain Jane, all-American rain.
Well, we all like the cold, but not when a person hates the cold.
But as you can tell, 99% of the snow is melted.
But
here's the real kicker. This evening, around noon, more snow is coming in.
I like the cold, so this is a great idea for memes.
Good for you. I hate the cold. I'm a summer person. I like summer weather.
I like the cold because persons that hate the cold or what is this or this.
I'm cool. I'm a refrigerator and orange.
No, but I'm an apple and an orange.
Oh, an apple and an orange. Well, you pointed at the fridge. Hey, bear. Hey, little bear. Look at you. You're such a happy girl. Who's a happy girl? Who's a happy doggy? Oh, gotta love the pups. Well, better get the coal in the wood before this next round of thick snow takes the blanket. So I'll see you. Well, I'll only see him like a moment. Hey guys, I'm gonna be there. She wants to snack a bit. Or better yet, have a better spot for you guys. Much better. There we go. Other.